Good day, traders. Happy Friday. Said 3 words and I already need some water. Okay, so we had a pretty easy day today, I would say. Okay, so if we just drag this over here, this is the S&P 2-minute. It's really the 5-minute I need to show this on. We'll just do the 2-minute first. Let's just do that. Okay. It's on the 5-minute. Let me just show you the 5-minute because I want to show you the cells. There they are. There they are. Right here. We have a retracement because we're in a downtrend. The downtrend started right here. Came and put in a low, retracement, lower low. Okay. I guess there was a fake out to the upside right here. But this trade was to the downside. Okay. So you got to trace this back down like this. This one's going up. I mean, this one's going down. This one's going up because it's hidden divergence, right? Hidden divergence. Okay, so you would have got in after this big candle right on the opening of this little one right here, and down it went. And it went down good. Yeah, right in here you would have got short. And your max potential in this trade was right down to the PP. The PP. The pivot point. Yes, indeed. And we had a little bit of a cross here, but it did not qualify for a bullish buy trade. There was no buying in here. If anything, it was a hook down. It was a buy fake, and then they sold it down. You would have sold it there, and as long as the 5 stays below the 7, you would stay short all the way down. And that's what would happen with that. And then there was, I think there was another trade here. Yeah, there was. Hold on. Let me get the line for you. So right in here too, doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Right there, something like that. No, you don't have to draw it to, to this mountain peak right here. You do not. There's no rule that says that. Who made up that rule? I sure as fuck didn't. No, I didn't make up any rule like that. No, so right here, as long as it's higher than where you started drawing the line from, right, which is right here, it's higher than here, right? So it's divergent. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen. So there, and you would have sold it, and yeah, it was good. It was good, man. You would have sold it right in here somewhere, and they would have him and hawed, a little bit. There's 83 ticks, and this big one was, max potential was 142 ticks, okay? Then we just kind of take the chart and make it a little bit bigger. And we go to the 2-minute now, and I'll show you the trade setups on there. We had a buy trade and another sell trade, and yeah. So we had lower lows right here. Lower lows. And the way we go. Just like that. See? D-D-D, and you would have got long right in here. And we had oh, look what we had here. We had a sell fake. That's what I call it. A hookup. Right? First candle closed below both moving averages. Next candle run up and closed almost above the 2 moving averages. Here's another one right here. A hookup, another hookup, sell fake. Oh, what the hell's going on? Where's the arrow? There. You would have bought right up here. Once it closed, rallied back up and closed up above the 2 moving averages. The moving averages are your friend. They'll give you these setups and they will keep you on the right side of the trade. Okay? Just because there was a little cross there doesn't mean you're going to start selling. No, you're going to wait for it to come back up and start buying. Right? Right on, man. Right on. Okay, where's this next one? It's a lower close. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. And then we had another one. A lower close. It's a hookup too, this one. Actually, it's this one right here. Lower close. Buy that candle on the opening and up it goes. Right? But then the next one came down, would have freaked you out a little bit. But if you held on to it, it went up nicely. And those are the only trades I would have done. I don't think I would have done one up here because it's already proved itself to be in a major run, a bull run. So you don't want to buy the top, right? Right. And you don't want to try and pick the top. You want to get in near the top, right? Right. Just like we got in over here near the bottom. And the market changed direction and it started going up. This is where you buy, down here. This is where you sell, up here, right? Righto. Righto, old chap. What do we got here? Okay, we got higher highs. You know, I told you about those higher highs. Hi, how are ya? Hi, how are ya? That's my little native song. Trust me, I got nothing against... Where am I supposed to draw that one? I got nothing against the native people in Canada or the Cherokees or whatever down in the States. They're all beautiful people. Beautiful people. Yes, indeed. They're very, very nice people. They would give you their shirt off their back if they thought that you needed it more than they did at the time. That's how nice they are, these people. Yeah, that's how nice they are. Come on, stick there. So yeah, so you would have sold it in here. Yeah, I did this trade. And short, and believe it or not, came flying down. I got out about right there. Like about a few ticks from that bottom. Why did I get out? Because I fucking knew. I knew they were going to ram it right back up people's noses. And if you're on, you know, and you would have, I knew I would have gave all the profit back if I stuck with it. I had this feeling. Plus they bought it off these wicks right here, see? They smashed through these ones, see? Smash-o. Smash, man. Let me show you. See that? I knew they were gonna, if they didn't buy off this one right back up, I knew they were gonna buy off this one. And that's what they did. And look at how much they took it back up, you know? So anyway, that is the trade right there to sell it and take it down. Right now, it's looking like a hidden divergence to go back up again. Who knows? I'm done for the day. Definitely done for the day. When you get profit and good profit, which I did today, you walk away. You either have to walk. The best thing you can do is just walk away. Shut off the platform and start walking. And it's Friday, you get off early, you go do whatever you want. You know what I mean? And that's it, and that's all. But it looks like she's going back up there now. So anyway, that was the S and the P. Yes, indeed. And yes, let me show you. Yes, there was a whole bunch of higher close, sell it, higher close, sell it, higher close, sell it, right? There was a whole slew of those trades right here. And they all would have worked for you. But you gotta, you know, when you sell it up here, let's say with this little wick, right here you sell it, and it comes down really good for you, you gotta make a decision before the candle closes. Am I gonna take some profit here? Or I'm just gonna let it run and hopefully it's gonna run down. Well, you gotta, for one, if you ever do my higher close, sell it down it goes, or my lower close, buy it up it goes, or my hookups or hook downs, those are all scalper trades, okay? They're not to hold, okay? Buy and hold, sell and hold, no, they're not for that. But the higher highs and the lower lows, yes, those trades you can hold on to them longer if you wish, okay? Because they're divergence setups. This divergence setup up here, which is a higher high, higher highs, it gave you the formation, the indication that we're probably going to go down. And it did go down. Just like over here, the low and the lower low, and then it closed up above it. That was your indication that we're going to run higher because it's divergence from the bottom. So you could hold that trade all the way up here. If you did that, you done well. If we got in right here, and of course you're never going to get up there. We'll just put it to there. Look at that, 94 points right there. Almost 100. It was beautiful today, ladies and gents, beautiful. Okay, let's go get that MetaTrader. It's right here, right? Yeah, yeah. Bring it over. Okay. How's the S&P? So here is, well, we already looked at the 5-minute, didn't we? Yeah. Well, let's look at it here. We always find some more over here. So we got higher highs, and it was divergent, okay? And we would have, could have, and should have sold it. Oh, look at that. Come on. So you would have sold it up here, and down it went, and down it went really good. It went down about 53 points. This is the NASDAQ, okay? Then we had hidden divergence right up to here. I did this trade actually last night as well, right up here. And I got out somewhere right there, and then it shot back up. So yeah, I did a little trade before I went to sleep. I seen the setup. I said, hey, I got to do it. When you got to do it, you got to do it. Right? Right. For sure, man. You got to do the trade when they present themselves. So, if you would have sold it here, the max potential all the way down was 174 points, ladies and gentlemen, all the way down. And then we had our, what did we have? We had our higher close, that's a hook, that's a buy fake. It's another, there are two buy fakes. I'm putting the wrong doodah on there, I'm sorry, right here. That's a hook down. And that's a higher close, sell it, down it goes. Here's a hook down, sell it here, down it goes. Here's another hook down. Right here. To sell it again once it went down there. And both of them worked out. Both hook downs worked out. You would have sold it right there, which was very close to the low of the day at that point. And it came down. And this one too, you would have sold it on the opening of this, and boom, 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 out go the lights, down it went, and it was good. Now, down here, did we have any divergence? Nope, because it's just one big deep valley. We need a low and a lower low, and we don't have that, so there's no divergence to buy it in here. Okay? But we have some lower close, buy it, up it goes. And we had another one. Now I'm starting to get tired. It didn't take long before I start yawning. I'm sorry. Okay, these are all hookups, hookups. Yeah, not that one. Anyway, you all know what my X looks like. See right here. This is the hookup. We'll just put that one there. Both trades were good. A lower close, buy it, up it goes, and a hookup. Lower close, fake out, sell fake, and then it comes back up, and you would have bought in here, and up it goes. It would have been a good trade. Okay, let's move on now. NASDAQ. Yeah, I was trading the NASDAQ, I think, last night. Yeah. There was a trade there. It went down. It went down good. And here's that same trade as the S&P. It's right here. You would have sold it in there. Right there. Right after that big candle down, sell it, and down it goes. And there's those same hook downs right there. You see them? Right there, sticking out like a sore thumb. Sore thumb. Yes. And the same lower close, buy it, up it goes. The same trades. They followed each other last night. Same trades. But the main thing is the trades were successful. It's not like I'm bullshitting you and saying, oh, here's a trade, buy here, oh, sell there, without nothing to refer as to why I'm selling it or why I'm buying it. And every day, you know, I show you. It's got to be a lower closing candle. Then you get long on the next opening of the next candle, and up it goes. Lower closing candle, buy it in here, up it goes. See, it's not like I'm baffling you with bullshit. I'm showing you the exact same setups, but on a different day. So that must be something good for you guys to see. I know it's good for me to see it. I'm sure hope it's good for you guys too. Okay, let's check out the Dow. Oh, look at the big wicks on the Dow. Oh, they're a bugger if they trick you into buying it up here and then it just goes down. You know, trick you into buying it up here and then they ram it right fucking down your throat. Gotta hate that. Gotta hate that. Yes. So what do we have here? Well, actually, we have a higher high with the wicks. We do. And you kind of like, you just kind of like draw it like that. See? Let's see. Ah, they draw it to that one. That's okay. We tweak it a little bit. We fucking tweak it, man. Know what I mean? Sometimes you gotta tweak it. But let me tell you something. The trade is not until right here, okay? So even if we do tweak it a little bit, okay, down here to up here, it still showed you right here. We closed below the 2 moving averages. The 5 has crossed down and closed below the 7. The 5 is the white dash line. The 7 is that purplish pink line. Okay, so it told you right here to sell, and it was good. It went down. It was all good. So you know, like even if you have to tweak it up here on the formation, as long as everything, the rest of the criteria down here when it sets up, as long as that's all in order and all in sync to do the trade, then you do the trade. And that's it. And then we had a double bottom kind of deal, tweaked up, tweaked out a little bit. See right here? That one's going up, that one's going down. That's it. Then we would have got long right in there. Yes, indeed. And so far it's went up about 50 points on the Dow Industrial Average. Yes, that's the old name, the old school name for the Dow. They got so many different names, it just depends what fucking platform you're trading on. And they're calling it a CFD. Yeah. Cost for difference, I think the CFD stands for. I don't fucking know. All those fuckers shouldn't be allowed to put those markets on their fucking brokerage. Fucking, they should only be allowed currency. But no, they put everything on there, and the governments of the world let them do it. So what can you do? We should only be trading futures, man. Futures. Yes. Okay, here's the pound. We have a trade here. See? Oh. We really have a good trade way back here. Let me show you. This video might be long today. I'm in a good mood today. I had a good week trading, and I had a really good day today trading. So I'm going to keep going with it. Even though I never ate breakfast yet, and it's 20 after 11, that's okay. I'll eat some nummy nums after I finish this video. Give you guys, your money's worth. You guys paid lots of money to come and watch this show. So I'm giving your money's worth, okay? And I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, so we have higher highs here, and yeah, and there's a sell fake on this sucker. Right here. Here's the sell fake. And then it went higher and got all the stops up here. Yeah, the bastards. I don't know if there's a trade here. Fuck. Actually, there is. Let me show you. So here's the double top. See how that's going down? See that? See the little blue doodahs going down? That means it was a sell right there. It really was. It really was. So you would have got in short right there. And down it went. And here's another higher close right here. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. There's no divergence here to buy it. But I bet you there is divergence here. There it is. So on this one was a good trade, a good sell-off right there. You would have sold it, and it went down 20 pips on the pound. Euro, it went up 14 pips and back down 14 pips. Big wow. Let's move on. Pound yen. Oh, we might have to look at the 15-minute. There's no fucking trade up here to sell it. Not even on the 15-minute. This is the 15-minute. Okay, whatever. Whatever, pound yen. Well, we had one of these. We got to show you that, right? We got to show you something on here. It's right here. Buy fake. Right, they smack it back down. Now it's become a hook down. You would have sold it here, and down it went. And then we had a higher close, sell it, and down it goes. So you had a sell from here down and another sell from here down. How much potential here? Oh, 73 pips on the pound yen. And from here, Another 70, 74 pips. Yeah, so there was those two good trades. A hook down and a higher close, sell it, and down it goes. Beautiful. Okay, that was pound yen. Euro yen probably looks the same. Oh, no, maybe not. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Higher highs or triple top or whatever you want to call it. And this coming down. And very easy entry trade. To sell right on the opening of this candle after this candle broke support and closed below it. That's what you want. And then we had another, oh no, I got the wrong thing. We had a hook down right here, okay? Buy fake, hook down, sell it, down it goes. How much did this one go down? 92 pips down to the bottom on the EJ, the euro yen. Okay, let's look at oil now. What did it do today? Oh, look what we done. Up here, there's no divergence. Because this mountain peak is higher than this one. Actually, no, hold on. Hold on to your skibbies. Right here, we had a fucking sell fake. I want you to see the bad trades, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to see them. Right there, double top, higher high, whatever you want to call it. And right here, down, right? And we would have got short right in here, okay? If you waited to break this support, you got short in here. Doesn't matter where you got short. They took it back up here because they know your stops were resting right here. Okay? So, the only other thing you could do is, once it broke this support, somewhere in here, jump in, and if you held on, and down it went, woo-wee, all the way down the fucking hill. Just like on your little red crazy carpet when you're a kid going down the hill. Well, I had snow where I grew up, and I had my super slider snow skates, which was pieces of plastic. You put them on like a shoe, like a boot. I can't believe I remembered the name of those dangerous fucking things. Super slider snow skates. So funny. Well, I halfway down the hill, I made it one time, and I was so scared, I just fell down to the snow, and I took them off, and I never wore them again. Super slider snow skates. Oh, fuck. That is like from, how old was I? I was like 10 or, no, I think I was between 8 and 10. So that's over 50 years ago, man, and I still remember the name of those super slider snow skates. Too freaking funny. Oh yeah, they had a lot of dangerous things back then. Because they didn't figure it out yet that this isn't safe, that isn't safe, and that isn't safe. It's funny. Super slider snow skates, and we had crazy carpets too, which was just a piece of plastic. You roll it out because it's in a tube. You roll it out and you sit your ass down on this, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch fucking plastic carpet. We called it a crazy carpet. That too, man. You feel every bump going down because your ass is on the fucking ground. Boom, boom, boom. All the way down. It was fun. Oh, yeah. I took that down the hill more than once, but my super slider snow skates? No, too dangerous for me. I was scared. Oh, it's funny. Sorry about this. I just had a moment there from a long time ago. Long time ago. Yeah, like this hill was like 5 houses down from where my house was. Oh, yeah, too funny. Too funny. So we had some lower lows right there. Okay, and right here you would have bought it. Went up like basically 100 points. Yeah, 100 points. There's another trade here. Let me show you. We have a high and a higher high. Just like that. And you would have got short somewhere in here, and it came back up a little, which was a higher close. Sell it down, it goes right here. And it went down. Went down about 50. You would have sold it right here. Yeah, 55 points right there. Pips. No points. That's oil. Okay. So let's look at gold now. It was a mover. It was a mover up. I wonder if I look at the 15. Yeah, on the 15 you had a trade. You have a whop dilly daz doodah of a trade right there. Lower lows, double bottom, whatever you want to call it. Right here up into here. And you would have got long just before the news. If you're willing to do that. Okay. If you wanted to wait till after the news, you would have got long right in here and it went up. Right? So if you got long in here, say right in the middle of that crap sideways channel, it would have went up 384 freaking points, ladies and gentlemen, ticks, whatever you want to call them. That was a huge move up in gold. And then a huge move back down again. So that covers all the markets, ladies and gentlemen. And now we're going to take a quick look at the cryptos, and I don't think they're doing anything special. Bitcoin, yeah, it come down a little bit. It's just hanging out up there. You know, it's just hanging out, having a couple beers, taking a couple fucking hauls of some good reefer. It's just hanging out up there. XRP, same shit, just hanging there, I think. Oh no, we're coming down a little bit. Maybe they're going to crash it now below this wick and then take it through these wicks. Then they're really going to fucking trash it. But anyway, somebody's stepping on it with their foot. They keep fucking stomping it down, whoever that may be. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. And then silver, monthly, yeah, it's just hanging up there. And Ethereum, yeah, it's come back a little bit. It's not so happy to pop up and go shawinga. Yeah. Not that I would ever buy any Bitcoin or any Ethereum. It's just not for me. I did buy Bitcoin before. I just want to tell you the story. But I had to. Because back then when I bought what I bought, you had to buy Bitcoin first, which is really did not make sense to me at all. And then from there, you can go on and buy the other digital coins, right? But first you had to buy Bitcoin and get fucked on the spread and everything. Oh, yeah. And major fees, man, to even buy whatever, to buy Bitcoin. That's just the way it was worked out back then. But now we have more exchanges all over the world, and yeah. So you don't need to buy Bitcoin anymore. But anyway, so that is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you once again for coming out and listening and watching my market setups. And if you trade this afternoon, the power hour, please be careful. Just wait for the setup and do the setup. If you don't have a setup, sit on your hands. That's it. Okay. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. I would really appreciate it from the bottom of my trading heart. And I have my hand on my heart right now. Okay? Please hit the like button. It's free to do it, okay? Good luck and good trading.